Hey guys, right in front of me is the Xprinter XP-58IIT thermal printer. The interface of this thermal printer is USB plus Bluetooth. It is a small and compact thermal printer that is fit for yung mga food deliveries and small groceries, yung mga milk tea shops. As you can see, it's very small. It fits, the size is just the palm of my hand. Okay, let us open it. We are currently selling the XPIAA model, but the that model is on the way out, and we will be introducing this new model. On the bottom, you have the Xprinter, the model, the serial number, USB printer port, and we have the power port. Then we have the on-off switch at the back. So let us open. Inside, this is from the manufacturer, the self-test. Again, the max width is 58 millimeters. Alright guys, so we're just gonna do a quick test print on this Xprinter XP-58IIT. I use the Loivers app right here to do a quick test print. And let's see. So guys, this is your initial unboxing and quick test print on this new Xprinter. If you guys are interested, make sure to check the link on the video description. Thank you guys for watching.